Welcome boys. Okay, in this video we're going to be assembling this here gaming chair, as you can see, and then we're going to do a headrest review on it. I got this particular gaming chair because it has a massive and beastly headrest, so we're going to see if it was worth the price. Okay, boys, so our gaming chair is now constructed, and it's pretty comfy. Self-featured. We have adjustable arms that go up and down. We have this little twisty deal way under here, which apparently tilts the seat, the entire seat, forward and backwards. We have this little device here, which tilts the back rest forward and backwards. Got our little lumbar pillow down here, and our little neck pillow, and our big headrest. So, initial thoughts, pretty comfy. I'd sit here and play games in this thing. Probably more comfortable than my couch, as I can tilt it, move it closer forward, away, or to or from a TV, or my computer, or even these things. Yeah, I can play games on that, I think. So, alright, that's how we build this cheap. Well, let's see how cheap. Let's see, what is this thing I even got in? I'm not sure. I bought it from eBay. I think I paid 120 bones for it. Definitely overpriced, in my opinion. I'd say it probably cost maybe $20 for the materials here. But on eBay, it is a computer gaming chair, high back chairs, executive swivel, racing office furniture. That is what it is. This thing. $124.99 plus free shipping. So all in all, pretty decent purchase. I am happy with it. Now I can game in comfort, and the headrest action is pretty legit. I'd almost say it's on par with like the BMW seat comfort. When it comes to the headrest part, the BMW seat's actually more comfortable than this. This is a little firmer. But the headrest action is on point. So the headrest does get the Hollywood seal of approval. I would rest my head on it while gaming. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.